Hi everyone, trust you are okay. In today's repair, we are working on an iPhone 13 Pro Max with a white screen problem. This is a common issue in the iPhone 13 series where the screen turns white, some cases gray or green. The phone still works, you can feel it vibrate, it responds to the touch, and it sleep and wake up normally. But there is no image on the display. This phone was already checked by another repair shop, but they couldn't fix it. Many people think this is a motherboard issue, but in most cases, the problem is actually with the screen itself. It's usually caused by a missing voltage on the screen, and we can fix it by adding jumper wires to the back of the screen. In this video, I will show you how to find the fault and fix it step by step so you can bring the display back to life even when others can't.